Hello, Batman. Safari Delivers is here for a pickup.
Hello, Safari Delivers. The pickup is actually not here.
That's no problem. I can pick it up. Just let me know where it's at, and I'll get it and bring it right back.
There's a ton of blocks we need delivered, and they're waiting over there.
I'll get them in no time. And just remember, Safari Delivers on time, all the time, or your money back guaranteed. There they are. I see them. I'll have to get these loaded up, and there's a lot of them. Almost done. Wait a second, what is this? It's with these blocks, so I think I'll bring it with to give to Batman. But it's really heavy. I don't know if I can lift it. I'll try it again. I think I can get it. Ugh, I did. That was extremely heavy. Now I just have 2 more to put in here. And the last one. There we go. And now I'm ready to go. That was fast. You're back already. That's because we're Safari Delivers. We deliver on time, all the time, or your money back guaranteed. Now let me get this turned around. Everyone watch out.
Hooray! You got them all. Now we can build something really fun.
Why is this here? It belongs to Thanos. It was with all of the building blocks, so I figured I would put it in the dump truck to see if it was yours.
It's for sure not mine. I have a feeling Thanos will be back for this.
I'll put it over here. That way we can build a really cool tower. I already got started on the tower, and so far, it looks really awesome. Let's keep stacking these blocks. Let's make it even taller. And for the final piece, this giant tower is barely standing. I'm here for my Thanos helmet. Thanos, that wasn't nice. All you had to do was ask for your helmet. We would have given it to you. I'll take this. Thanos, again, all you had to do was ask. We would have just given it to you. Now it's time to destroy the Batcave. Alright, I get it. You don't just want your helmet only, you also want to cause lots of trouble.
And that means we need a plan.
Actually, it looks like our plan has arrived. Hooray! It's my Hulk friend! It's time to battle! Infinity Gauntlet Smash! Oh no, I missed! I'm leaving. Nice work, Hulk friend. You got Thanos to leave. Batman, you know what I like best about my job?
What's that?
I get to see all of the awesome battles when I come here. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye.